Got the old GMC 7500 Isuzu 7.8 liter inline 6, also known as a 6HK1. Just got her tuned up and deleted. Got the 300 horsepower setting, no DPF, no EGR. Runs good, sounds even better. I'll sneak under here and show you. Straight pipe. Got the Allison 3500 6-speed, 12-foot Monroe bed, 19,000 pound rear axle, 10,000 pound front. She's a real beaut. Here's my other truck. It's a dump truck, 8500. Same thing, 09 Isuzu Allison 6-speed, 40,000 rear, 16 front. She's about ready to get on the road. Here we got the 4-inch exhaust stack. No mufflers, no DPF, no catalytic converters, no nothing, no resonators. See if I can get my phone propped up and fire it up for y'all. Oh, there she is. Let's see here. Here, got less than 30,000 miles on her. She's clean, boys. You don't know how many big girls you fit back here. At least 7. Turn the PTO down. Drops down to 800. PTO switch off. Back at idle. Next video I get for y'all, we're going on a little ride. Y'all check back in now.